Hi, I'm Katie Hollywood Flores. Almost 3 years ago, I was involved in a car wreck. Unbeknownst to me, earlier in the day, I had been visiting my husband in the hospital, actual hospital, and just taking care of and providing care for him, and had to leave there to go home and essentially take care of my family, take care of my kids. And leaving the hospital, just driving in the middle lane of the service road for the tollway, proceeded through the intersection at the tollway in 121 and was just totally blindsided, T-boned, where my car then was really forced into the light standard, the big light standard that provides light, up to over 121. Horrible. I have no idea how fast that man was driving, but he was hauling. T-boned my car right at the driver's side door. My airbags deployed. Thank God I was wearing a seatbelt. But I don't know really much what happened after that, because I was just stunned in shock. Was transported to the hospital and taken care of there, followed up with doctors, that sort of thing. And because I was already going through so much medical problems with my husband at the time, I just instantly started looking for an attorney to help me, because I knew it was going to be a big ordeal. I had drama going on already at home, 3 young kids. Through contacts, I found Spencer and the law firm, and really Spencer and Nathan just took the ball and ran with it. They told me a couple of things, like take pictures of my car, take pictures of myself, where the injuries had occurred on my person, and forwarded that to them. And from there, it was pretty much, they just handled everything. So I think I received a few calls early on asking for information, whether it was from a hospital or from a doctor bill, that sort of thing. But I just instructed them to call Spencer and Nathan. And after I think 2, maybe 3 calls, I didn't hear from anybody else. They just handled it all. It was fantastic. Throughout the course of this whole case, went through a subsequent divorce, lots of life changes, lifestyle changes, and their handling of the case was seamless. It's like I had 2 totally different things going on, and I did not have to worry about the car wreck and what was going on with the car wreck. They just handled it for me. And I'm kind of the complicated person. I'm a business professional, lead a busy life, have meetings all the time. And so I know I was difficult at times to get in touch with and contact, but they were persistent. They just handled it so professionally, and mediation went great. I really didn't have to do much. I just sat there and let them do their jobs. It's like they're the hired professionals. They were professional. They handled it. And at the end of the day, I answered some questions, and it was I had nothing to prove, essentially. The facts spoke for themselves. And I have recommended this firm already to other individuals, that have encountered similar situations, such as myself.